Hello guys, today I'm going to show you 5 cool features of iPhone that I use normally. So the first feature I'm going to show you is that we can use back side of the phone as a shortcut. So I'm going to do double tap as a torch and triple tap as a screenshot. So how to do that? Let's have a look. So here is the result. When I double tap on the back of the phone, torch will come up, and when I do a triple tap, screenshot will come up. So the second feature is we can change the brightness of our torch based on our requirement. Sometimes we need high brightness and sometimes we need low brightness. So let's have a look. So the third feature that I'm going to show you is we can take a video from camera button by pressing it for a long time, and even we can lock it by moving it to the right side. Then we can take a video continuously. So the fourth feature that I'm going to show you guys is, do you know we can scan the text from notes of any paper or book? So if we do that, it will save our time significantly. So let's see how to do that. And the last feature I want to show you is timer. And I use this personally in many ways in my daily life. So let's see how to do that. So we can set the timer based on our requirement, like 1 minute or 2 minutes. So before we go, I want to give you one quick tips on the iPhone notes. So let's go to the iPhone notes and see. So here in the iPhone notes, if you want to move the cursor while typing, just simply click in the middle of the words and move the cursor by holding it, or simply you can use two fingers and move the cursor by holding it by pressing anywhere, or you can use a space button. Just click the space button and hold it and move the cursor anywhere. So these are the 5 features in iPhone that you can try and have a look. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you for sure. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe the channel. I will see you in another